Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Fizz Yo-Yo is probably one of the most exciting ways to dive into the world of yo-yoing. This guide is designed to help you master the basics and learn some cool tricks. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to brush up on your skills, we'll cover everything from the fundamental techniques to more advanced maneuvers, ensuring you have a blast while learning. Number 5. MAGICYOYO V3 Responsive Yo-Yo for Kids. This is the MAGICYOYO V3, a perfect entry-level yo-yo for kids aged 8 to 12 and up. It's designed for learning basic yo-yo tricks. With a gentle tug, it returns to your hand. Made from alloy aluminum, this yo-yo offers stable and balanced high-speed performance. The sandblasted finish ensures it looks great and resists scratches. In unresponsive mode, it excels at high speeds and long spins. The V3 comes with a responsive bearing for beginners and an extra unresponsive bearing for advanced players. Switching the bearing transforms it from a beginner-friendly yo-yo to one suitable for more complex tricks. This yo-yo comes in an elegant gift package, making it a perfect present for kids, families, and friends. It's great for daily practice or competition, and it helps keep kids engaged away from screens. The package includes the responsive yo-yo, 12 replacement strings, a storage case, a bearing removal tool, an unresponsive bearing, an axle, and a mini Allen key. Everything you need to get started is included. The yo-yo is equipped with a responsive bearing and a specific axle. When you switch to the unresponsive bearing, make sure to use the corresponding axle to prevent slippage and ensure optimal performance. What we like. This yo-yo offers both responsive and unresponsive modes, making it perfect for beginners and advanced players alike. Its long spinning capabilities allow for impressive tricks and extended play sessions. If you're looking for a versatile yo-yo that grows with you, this is the one to choose. What people say. This comes with 2 yo-yos for $26. It also comes with a case, 10 yo-yo strings, upgradable bearings that change the yo-yo to an unresponsive style where you'll have to learn the technique to return the yo-yo to your hand, instead of it coming back up with a flick of the wrist. Also, included with the bearings is a tool specifically made for removing and installing the bearings and axles. Both play very well for beginners, and the bearings are very easy to switch when you're ready to go unresponsive. He absolutely loves this yo-yo and it has become his go-to. The string quality is okay. Not the best for his ability. However, the aluminum build was perfect for an intermediate user like him, which coupled with its small size and long spin time, gave him the confidence to keep practicing his yo-yo. Number 4. Duncan Butterfly Yo-Yo, Beginner Friendly. This is the Duncan Butterfly Yo-Yo, perfect for beginners. It's designed to help you learn the basics of yo-yoing. Get ready to have some fun. Made from high-impact plastic, this yo-yo is built to last. It can handle the bumps and drops that come with learning new tricks. You don't have to worry about it breaking easily. The butterfly's flared shape is ideal for string tricks. The wide gap makes it easier to land the yo-yo on the string. It's designed to help you master those cool moves. Featuring a steel axle, this yo-yo spins smoothly and fast. This fixed axle ensures consistent performance. It's all about a great spinning experience. This yo-yo is specially designed for beginners. It's one of Duncan's best models for learning the fundamentals. It's the perfect way to start your yo-yo journey. It has a starburst response system and weighs 48.8 g. You'll receive one yo-yo in red. Get ready to start playing. What we like. This yo-yo is built to last, thanks to its durable plastic construction. The wide design makes string tricks easier to learn. If you're just starting out and want a yo-yo that can withstand the learning process, this is a great choice. What people say. Good enough for a beginner. Nice sturdy yo-yo. Tien Buen Peso, Cuerda de Buena Calidad y Buen Gyro. Buena Calidad en todos los aspectos. Number 3. MAGICYOYO K2 Crystal Yo-Yo, Responsive and Unresponsive. This is the MAGICYOYO K2 Crystal, a great entry-level yo-yo for kids and beginners. It comes in responsive mode, making it easy to learn basic string tricks. Just a gentle tug, and it returns to your hand. The K2 Crystal isn't just for beginners, it can also become an unresponsive yo-yo. By swapping the bearing and axle, you can perform more advanced string tricks. This gives you a new challenge. Made from durable PC plastic, this yo-yo is built to last. The polycarbonate material is shatterproof and provides a solid feel. It spins longer than many other responsive yo-yos. The package includes everything you need to get started: the responsive yo-yo, extra strings, a storage bag, a bearing removal tool, and an unresponsive bearing. It's all there to start your yo-yo journey. For responsive mode, add lubricating oil to the bearing if it doesn't return easily. Remember, after switching to unresponsive mode, you'll need to learn a bind to bring it back. Enjoy the fun. What we like. This yo-yo can switch between responsive and unresponsive modes, offering versatility for all skill levels. It's made from durable PC plastic for long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a yo-yo that grows with your skills and comes with everything you need to get started, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use. Came with tools and parts to convert yo-yo between normal and pro mode, responsive-unresponsive. Came with more than 10 different colored strings and a protective carry case. For the price, this is outstanding value. Number 2. WATIEOBOO Yo-Yo Professional Metal Yo-Yo Kit. This yo-yo is built with high-precision aerospace-grade materials and a stainless steel bearing. It enhances the impact and drop resistance, ensuring it can withstand plenty of play. It spins smoothly and has a strong idling ability. This professional unresponsive yo-yo allows you to change bearings. It requires a binding trick to get it back. The style string technology supports 1A, 3A, and 5A styles, providing excellent stability and feel. Weighing just 65.6 g, this yo-yo enhances body coordination and finger flexibility. It helps improve brain response and cultivates patience, keeping kids engaged and away from screens. This yo-yo makes an elegant gift for Christmas or Thanksgiving. The kit includes the yo-yo, replacement strings, a glove, and a waist bag for easy portability. It's fun for all ages. This yo-yo can be played indoors or outdoors, perfect for parties. It develops children's intelligence and creativity while reducing stress for adults. It's a great way to connect with others. What we like. This yo-yo is built to withstand drops and impacts, thanks to its high-quality materials. It can be used by both beginners and advanced players. If you're looking for a yo-yo that's durable and comes with all the accessories you need, consider this one. What people say. Grinds. It does grinds good, finger grinds, arm grinds, IRG, it's good. I even did an eagle claw, but I kept messing that up because I always grip too hard, but for that brief second, it was cool. Top on finger spins and DNA are totally possible. Although the center of the cup is raised just a touch, the yo-yo will sit stable. Grinds are important, as I like those kind of tricks. The surface allows for grinds without the need for the included glove. This is a bimetal yo-yo which has a 6068 aluminum body and aluminum alloy for the rims. Right away it comes responsive yo-yo with that bearing, and I recorded at least a 12-second sleep time, which is very decent and nice for basic beginner tricks. I was easily able to do a lot of basic beginner picture tricks like the Jamaican flag, Robin Hood, Rock the Baby, Eiffel Tower, and some basic string tricks like man on the flying trapeze and brother. Number 1. WATIEOBOO WA01 Dual Mode Metal Yo-Yo. This yo-yo is built to last. It uses high-precision aerospace-grade materials and a stainless steel bearing. This makes it incredibly resistant to drops and impacts, perfect for any player. It features a dual-mode design, so you can start with the responsive system, which is great for beginners. As you improve, you can switch to the unresponsive mode for advanced tricks. You can change the bearing as needed. This yo-yo is designed with a lighter weight and stronger balance. It enhances body coordination and finger flexibility. It's a fun way to keep kids away from screens. Looking for a great gift? This yo-yo comes in an elegant gift pack, perfect for Christmas or any occasion. It includes everything you need to get started, like extra strings and gloves. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this yo-yo provides endless fun. It's great for parties and events, and it's also a fantastic way to reduce stress. It can easily shorten the distance between people. What we like. This yo-yo is built to withstand drops and impacts, thanks to its high-quality materials. It can be used by both beginners and advanced players. If you're looking for a yo-yo that's durable and comes with all the accessories you need, consider this one. What people say. Grinds. It does grinds good, finger grinds, arm grinds, IRG, it's good. I even did an eagle claw, but I kept messing that up because I always grip too hard, but for that brief second, it was cool. Top on finger spins and DNA are totally possible. Although the center of the cup is raised just a touch, the yo-yo will sit stable. Grinds are important, as I like those kind of tricks. The surface allows for grinds without the need for the included glove. As I dislike using gloves, a textured surface for grinds is a feature that I always look for. The included blue strings are stiffer than the yellow strings, so slack tricks are a lot better to do as the loop stays open as you whip the string. This is a bimetal yo-yo which has a 6068 aluminum body and aluminum alloy for the rims. After throwing for a couple of hours, I could tell that this really was a very nice yo-yo. You can even compare this yo-yo to $150 one and you'd probably get almost the same results. Right away it comes responsive yo-yo with that bearing, and I recorded at least a 12-second sleep time, which is very decent and nice for basic beginner tricks. I was easily able to do a lot of basic beginner picture tricks like the Jamaican flag, Robin Hood, Rock the Baby, Eiffel Tower, and some basic string tricks like Man on the Flying Trapeze and Brother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.